All right, this is my #1 complaint in the comments. We want longer videos. Well, guess what? Your wish is gonna be granted today and I'm going to do a longer tutorial video. Hey guys, I'm Britt, I'm a shuffler. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so grateful you're here. I've probably seen this one so many times in my shorts, but I swear it's my favorite combo to do. It might look a little advanced, but I promise even if you're a beginner, you can get this one down. Stand up with me and let's try it out. All right, so the combo. All right, let's learn how to do it. We're first gonna start with our right foot, okay? We're gonna be on our right foot. Left foot's gonna come behind, okay? So the the motion is toe, toe, heel, heel, okay? So if I'm on my right foot, boom, boom, here, here, right? Then what's gonna happen is we're gonna go boom, boom, here, here, and then we're gonna jump on our left foot, and the right foot's gonna come behind. Try it with me. So one more time broken down. So we're on our right foot, left foot behind, left to the side. Left foot to the right side, bring it over. And then switch. So now I'm on my left foot, right foot behind, boom, here, here. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already so don't miss a vid. And I will see you in the next one.